Hi everyone! Today I'll show you how to install Java for programming. We'll need the Java development kit for this. It's a developer kit. Open any browser and type in Java JDK. Okay, let's get started. Download the latest version. I have the 64-bit package. Click Download. Oops, why is it showing Linux? Hold on, I'll find it now. Oh dear, I'm being silly. Windows, select it and download the installer. I just woke up. Ah, okay, got it. Open the installer. Click Yes. A dialog box will appear. Meanwhile, let's download Microsoft Visual Studio. Go to the Microsoft Store. Here we type VS Code and install the first program, Visual Studio Code. I've already got it installed. In the meantime, click Next, Next, and the development kit installation will start. At the same time, let's open Visual Studio. Here we need to go to the extensions and type Java. Okay, so we have Java, we absolutely need to install it. I've got it installed. The install button is right above. Click Close and restart your computer and you're all set. This was Biller. Goodbye everyone.